In today's data-driven world, the role of a data scientist has become increasingly vital. Data scientists are professionals who analyze and interpret complex digital data to help organizations make informed decisions. Their expertise allows businesses to harness the power of data, revealing hidden patterns, trends, and insights that can significantly influence strategies and outcomes. A fundamental aspect of a data scientist's job is data collection and cleaning. This initial phase involves gathering information from various sources, including databases, online platforms, and even physical records. Once the data is collected, it often requires extensive cleaning and formatting to eliminate inconsistencies and inaccuracies. This process, sometimes called data wrangling, is crucial as it sets the foundation for reliable analysis and ensures that the insights derived are valid and applicable. After data preparation, data scientists employ various statistical methods and machine learning algorithms to analyze the data. They create predictive models that can forecast trends and behaviors, helping organizations anticipate future developments. For example, through regression analysis or classification algorithms, data scientists can predict customer preferences or identify which products are likely to succeed. Their ability to translate data into actionable insights empowers companies to optimize operations, enhance customer experiences, and increase revenue. Visualization is another key component of a data scientist's role. Once analysis is performed, results must be communicated effectively to diverse stakeholders who may not have a technical background. Data scientists utilize visualization tools to present their findings in a clear and engaging manner, often through charts, graphs, and interactive dashboards. This visual storytelling helps bridge the gap between data complexity and strategic decision-making, making it easier for team members to grasp insights quickly. Finally, the role of a data scientist is not static. It constantly evolves as new technologies emerge and data landscapes change. Data scientists must stay updated on the latest industry trends, tools, and methodologies. Continuous learning and adaptation are essential because they not only enhance their skill set but also allow them to provide the most relevant and innovative solutions to their organizations. By keeping pace with advancements in artificial intelligence, big data, and analytics, data scientists can ensure that they remain valuable assets within their teams. In conclusion, data scientists play a crucial role in modern organizations by transforming raw data into actionable insights. Their work spans from data preparation to advanced analysis and effective visualization, all while adapting to an ever-changing technological landscape. As the demand for data-driven decision-making grows, the expertise of data scientists will become even more integral to the success of businesses around the world.